everyone, so we're doing a review on this little Tikes, my first fridge. It's actually one of the gifts that we gave to our daughter when she celebrated her first birthday. I know this toy is for 3+, but actually she loves playing this. She actually likes to open the fridge and then she wants to hold the cup all the time, pretending it has water in it. And the assembly is very fast. You don't need screws and stuff, so you just have to assemble and have this like plastic to attach the parts together. And you have this very cute they call this pins. You cannot actually put them in any way you like, so they're actually fastened there. And you have like a shopping list, just a broccoli, orange, and some strawberries. This is made of just a sticker, and when there's actually a turn on and off buttons here. They recommend that you replace the battery before you use this toy, but I actually didn't replace it. It's actually very good because I don't have batteries at home. So it has it turned on, so it has that fridge sound. It even has the freezer sound. See, this is the freezer. So it came with accessories, just the ice cream and a cone, and you have like an ice tray. Actually 4 ice here, ice cubes, but you put the other 2 ice cube there. So this is also included. So it makes noises. It's like a real fridge, and there's 2 ice cubes there. And when you open it, so you can put the ice cube back. You see the sound is realistic. And you open the other side, so you have like a container you can put your condiments or your fruit. So like this is one of the accessories that are included in this toy, and an orange and milk. So you cannot open this, so it's just plastic, but it's really good quality. And you can see if you open it for a long time, they're actually alarms. So signal you need to close your fridge, or else the electricity bill will be so high. So it's actually a gap here, but yeah, it's very unnoticeable once the kids are playing with it. So me and my husband, our daughter, played with this, and we like this. We actually love this, and we just need to buy more stuff to put in our fridge. And we have the Fresh Mart, and we can buy our stuff there. So when I received it, I actually ordered from Amazon. I received it has scratches because the box is not really fully covered. So maybe from the handling, but not much. Just a few scratches, but I think it's okay. Still good to me. If you're wondering, this is a Dyson toy. I think V8. I have a separate review on that one. So I just put everything here. It's my daughter's playroom, so it just turns off by itself after a few minutes or seconds. So yeah, that is my review on the little Tikes, my first fridge. We did bought our daughter the washer and dryer, which I will review next time, so please watch it. And join us today by subscribing to our channel for more unboxing, toy unboxing reviews. And thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm not sure what that noise is supposed to be. Maybe cold air, but it doesn't turn off when the door's shut.
No way.
Have to turn it off up there.
No way.
And this doesn't want to go in all the way, and kind of just flimsy. You can see.
Mom.
Even still doesn't go in. My little boy is 2, so it's okay for him, but I worry about a younger one knocking it over on them. We also have the dryer and the stove, and I would recommend them much more than this. So if you're gonna go with any, I would go with those two and maybe skip this one altogether. We paid $30 for this, and I think even that was too much.
Guck mal.
I had to share with you guys this fridge set by Little Tikes. We purchased this last year for our son. He absolutely loves it. It's pretty big. It's great too if you have a smaller home. It doesn't take up any space really at all. It does come with a bunch of stuff. I have added stuff over the course of a year. He loves to play with it. It does turn on, so it acts like an actual fridge. This also comes with little ice cubes that dispenses. This is such a great quality. I highly recommend it.